Good morning, everybody. Myself Ramjas Yadav from the Sun Science Senior Secondary School. Today we will discuss about the fundamental unit of life. Students, first of all, in 1665, a scientist named Robert Hooke discovered with his own simple microscope with the help of thin slice of bark, which is often from a bark of trees. He saw tiny compartment-like structures in cork, and whose he named cellula. Cellula is a Latin word which means small chamber or small room. Cell is discovered by a scientist named Robert Hooke in 1665. He observed small chambers in the slice of cork, which is obtained through bark of a tree. Robert Hooke discovered dead cells, and later on in 1674, a scientist named Antony von Leeuwenhoek observed living cells from ponds. The discovery of cell was a great change in the history of biology, since that it is clear that every living thing is composed of cells, and cell is the structural, functional and fundamental unit of life. There are different types of organisms. All organisms composed of cells and basically divided into main groups: unicellular and multicellular. On the basis of number of cells, organisms are divided into two groups: unicellular organisms and multicellular organisms. Unicellular organisms means those organisms whose body is composed of only one cell or single cell are called unicellular. Unicellular means एक कोश के जीव, वे जीव जिनकी बॉडी, शरीर एक कोशिका से मिलकर बना होता है, उसे यूनिसेलुलर ऑर्गेनिज्म कहते हैं. फॉर एग्जांपल, all protozoans bacteria are unicellular. Now multicellular organisms are those organisms whose body composed of more than one cells are known as multicellular or बहुकोषीय जीव. All organisms except protozoans and bacteria are falls in category of multicellular organisms. प्रोटोजोआ बैक्टीरिया को छोड़कर सभी जीव बहुकोषीय जीवों की श्रेणी में आते हैं. नाउ स्टूडेंट्स, आफ्टर दैट in 1838 and 1839, two scientists named Theodore Swan and Matthias Schleiden proposed cell theory. According to cell theory, all living beings are composed of cells cell is the basic unit of life. Cell is derived in the form of crystals. After that, later on, a scientist named Rudolf Virchow, means according to Theodore Swan and Matthias Schleiden, proposed cell theory. According to them, all living beings are composed of cell. मीन्स सभी जीवधारी कोशिकाओं से बने होते हैं और कोशिका जीवन की आधारभूत इकाई होती है. नाउ थर्ड पॉइंट, सेल इज डेराइव्ड इन द फॉर्म ऑफ क्रिस्टल्स. मीन्स उन्होंने बताया, ही स्टेटेड दैट कि सेल क्रिस्टल्स के रूप में बनती हैं, जो कि क्या है, रॉन्ग है. अब इसको लेटर ऑन scientist named Rudolf Virchow modified the previous cell theory and proposed modern cell theory. Now see modern cell theory. Modern cell theory proposed by living beings are composed of cells. Second one, cell is the structural, functional and fundamental unit of life. Third one, all cells arise from its pre-existing cells. Cell is the metabolic unit of life. Okay, students, Rudolf Virchow stated that all living cells are composed of cells. ये 2 पॉइंट तो प्रीवियस थियरी से देख लिया गया है, उन्होंने संशोधित किया है थर्ड पॉइंट, ऑल सेल्स अराइज फ्रॉम इट्स प्री एग्जिस्टिंग सेल्स. सभी कोशिकाएं अपने पूर्ववर्ती कोशिकाओं से विकसित हुई है. नेक्स्ट वन, सेल इज मेटाबॉलिक यूनिट ऑफ लाइफ. कोशिका जीवन की उपापचयी इकाई है. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, नाउ नेक्स्ट, on the basis of cell structure, organelles are divided into two major categories. As first one, prokaryotic organelles or prokaryotes. Students, and second one, eukaryotes. Eukaryotic organelles are eukaryotes. Okay students, कोशिका संरचना के आधार पर जीवों को 2 बड़ी कैटेगरी में बांटा गया है, प्रोकैरियोटिक ऑर्गेनिल्स और प्रोकैरियोट्स. प्रो मीन्स होता है प्रिमिटिव और नॉट वेल डेवलप्ड. कैरियन मीन्स होता है, कैरियन मीन्स न्यूक्लियस. मीन्स those organisms who have not well developed nucleus and other membrane bound cell organelles are called prokaryotic organisms or prokaryotes. वे जीव जिनमें पूर्ण विकसित केंद्रक नहीं होता है या दूसरे कोशिकांग नहीं पाए जाते हैं, उनको प्रोकैरियोटिक जीव कहते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल्स ऑल टाइप ऑफ बैक्टीरिया मीन्स cyanobacteria, archaebacteria. Okay, so now eukaryotic. U means होता है U means true, karyon means nucleus. Organisms who having true nucleus or well developed nucleus with other membrane bound organelles like mitochondria, Golgi complex, endoplasmic reticulum are known as eukaryotic organisms. Except all bacteria, all organisms are falls in category of eukaryotic organisms or eukaryotes. Now students, one scientist named J. Purkinje. Purkinje stated that protoplasm is the physical basis of life. Protoplasm is the physical basis of life. Means after the discovery of electron microscope, in 1940 एक साइंटिस्ट थे जे पुरकिंजे, उन्होंने कहा कि प्रोटोप्लाज्म, द क्वेश्चन इज व्हाट इज प्रोटोप्लाज्म, मीन्स अ जेली लाइक सब्सटेंस प्रेजेंट इनसाइड द सेल इज नोन एज प्रोटोप्लाज्म. एक जेली की तरह पदार्थ पाया जाता है जिसमें सभी कोशिकाएं बिखरे पड़े होते हैं, उसे क्या कहते हैं, प्रोटोप्लाज्म. वी विल सी डिटेल स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ सेल on next day. Okay students, today we have studied discovery of cell and cell theory, unicellular organisms, multicellular organisms, prokaryotes, eukaryotes. On next day we will discuss Okay, then now shape and shape of the cell. Shapes of the cell. There are different types of shapes are found in organism's body, like oval, spindle shape, disc shape, head-like, round shape, okay, then spindle shape cell are muscle cells, disc shape, red blood cells, round shape, thread-like nerve cells, round shape, ovum. Okay, students, for today, so completed. Next topic, that is structure of plant cell and animal cell, will be explained. Thank you. Have a nice day. If you have any question, then ask by WhatsApp or by comment box. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.